Before going into the blockwise study of the modern periodic table and going into the details of what are the elements, what all elements are present in those blocks, we must do the nomenclature of the elements whose atomic numbers are above 100. See, usually we have a habit of, normally it is practiced in chemistry that the elements, whatever the elements are discovered, they are named on the name of the scientist who actually discovers them. Now this is how, what has happened is because of the radioactivity, simultaneously many elements has been discovered in different parts of the world. So they might be named with the different people on the basis of the names of the different people. So IUPAC came out with its own uniform system of nomenclature of the elements with atomic number more than 100. Now the system is like this. Now you need to first understand that some digits from 0 to 9 were given certain names and some certain abbreviations, like 0 is called nil, 1 yun, 2 bi, 3 tri, 4 quad, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 sept, 8 oct, and 9 in. Now the first letter of these names are given the symbols to these digits, like nil is given N, yun, ju, bi, B, tri, T, quad Q, pent P, hex H, sept S, oct O, and in has been given E. So we have to remember this first, that what exactly these letters means to us, and then we can use them in naming the elements with atomic number more than 100. Now before moving into that, you must understand what they have done is, we will, like suppose we have element with atomic number 101. We will write down the digits names in the same order in which we have a number, like we have yun, nil, yun. And then IUM is added as a suffix. So the element becomes yun, nil, yunium. And its symbol will be U for the first digit, N of the second digit, and again U of the third digit. So we'll use the same abbreviations of those digits in giving the symbol to the element. Now in the symbol, always the alphabet is kept capital and then rest all small. So this is how we started naming them. So similarly, if we have element with atomic number 102, so it will be called yun for 1, nil for 0, and bium for 2. And its symbol will be UNB. Now similarly, 103 will be called yun, nil, trium, UNT. Similarly, 105 yun, nil, pentium, UNP. Now similarly, element 111 yun, unium, U. So this is how we can name any element who's having the atomic number more than 100.